everybody, this is Coach Rapha from Be Ahead of the Game, bringing to you another 5-minute fun break. Okay, today I have my best friend in the whole wide world. Say hi, Milla. Are you ready to play some bowling today? Alright, so today we're going to be playing some bowling. This is driveway bowling. Now, make sure that wherever you're doing this, you guys are safe and you have a parent with you. This game today, guys, you can get creative with the materials. Now, as you can see here, I have cones, I have some soccer balls on top of cones, and we have some dodgeballs, okay? Now, you guys can get creative. You guys can use water bottles, cans, whatever you have, alright? Just get creative with it and have a lot of fun. And just make sure, as always, be safe. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching and playing with us during another 5-minute fun break. We hope to continue to bring you videos just like this one, so please remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.